And that is Ashley blowing up a condom. What'd you think if you saw a penis that big?
Ashley!
That's Richard.
Let it go! Ready, girls? So fucking big.
It is big.
It's gonna take someone's eye out.
Let it go. Let it go.
I thought I won't wash up. I feel like a penis.